Ready, players? Game on! And Lily goes in for a first shot. Lily gets a second try. Well done, Lily. Well, Lily's not only an excellent soccer player, but she also plays basketball. She'll play a game against George. And Lily will take the first shot. There she goes. Well beat, Lily. Now let's see if George can do just as well. He's going up to the net. Getting ready. I think George needs a little encouragement. Go, George! Nice big slam dunk. Well done. As we all know, every family has their artist. Our elephant family is no exception. Lily would like to paint us a very special picture on a t-shirt. Each of these t-shirts is unique and can be purchased at our gift shop. Lily does this easily because in her trunk alone, there are over 150,000 muscles and ligaments. That's more than we have in our entire body. Now elephants can live to be up to 60 or 70 years old, and they eat 250 to 300 pounds of food each day. Unfortunately, they are an endangered